Alright guys, welcome to our first project. So let's create a new file and let's name it one animated hover effect.html, and let's write here html:5. This is for HTML5. Or else you can even let me create a new file. Let's name it say 1.html, and you can write here doc, then provide a tab if you don't have animate installed. So alright, so let me delete this file. We'll be working on this one, and here we have the title. Let's rename it animated hover effect. Alright, inside body we'll be having just a button. That's it. Inside it, let's have a class of btn, and here let's write say hover me. That's it. Let's hit save. And inside head, let's have a style tag. Inside it, let's style our body. Background color, let's make it #222, which is kind of dark. Display, let's make it flex. Height, let's make it 100% viewport height, so it will be of full window height, or viewport height. And display flex, since we are having this one child of this body, which is this button, we want to place it right at the center of the page. And how we can do it? Using display flex, and then justify content center, align items center. So justify content center and align items center. Alright, and let's take a look. Alright, see, our cute teeny tiny hover button is placed right at the center of the page. Now let's style it. So .btn, first of all let's provide a padding of top and bottom, say 15 pixel, and right and left let's make it 30. Let's hit save. Font size, let's make it big, kind of 18 pixel. And color, let's make it #FFF, which is white. And our background color will be transparent. Font weight, let's make it bold. Let me see how it looks. Okay. Let's remove this border. So border, none. Alright. Next, let's have a cool box shadow. Box shadow. From top 0, left 0. Let's blur it around 3 pixel, and let's provide a color of #FFF, or let's make it a bit lighter, which is AAA. Let's see that how it looks. Alright, cool, right? Yeah, it's looking cool. Yeah, okay. You can even add border radius. Okay, but I will keep it like that. All right. Now let's add our cool hover effect, and that we are going to do in our next lecture. So see you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.